Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your D-Series drone to your phone. First, make sure your drone's battery is at 100% charge for the best experience. Next, download the specific D-Series drone application from your phone's app store, whether it's for iOS or Android. Finally, power on your drone and set it down on a level, clear surface, ensuring it is within a few feet of your phone. Now, let's establish the Wi-Fi connection. Go into your phone's Wi-Fi settings. You should see a new network appear, often starting with D-Series or a similar identifier followed by several numbers or letters. Select this network to connect. Most D-Series drones do not require a password for this direct Wi-Fi link, making the process straightforward and quick. Once connected, you're ready for the next step. With your phone connected to the drone's Wi-Fi, it's time to open the D-Series drone application. Launch the app, and it should automatically recognize and establish a connection with your drone. This usually happens within 5 to 10 seconds. Look for a confirmation message or a live video feed to ensure a successful link. The app is your primary control interface, so a stable connection here is crucial for flight. Before your first flight, always perform a few essential pre-flight checks. The app will likely prompt you to calibrate the drone's gyroscope and compass. Follow these instructions carefully for stable flight. Verify that the live video feed is clear and without lag. Finally, give your drone a quick visual inspection, checking propellers and body for any damage. These steps ensure a safe and enjoyable flying experience every single time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.